Welcome to the DVCom Systems channel. Today, we're talking about a smart security solution that's changing the way people protect and manage their homes, ensuring remote access to homes with video intercom technology. In today's fast-paced world, homeowners are not always physically present. Work, travel, and daily responsibilities often take us away, but security concerns never take a break. That's where modern video intercom systems step in. A video intercom system is more than just a doorbell with a camera. It's a complete communication and access control solution. Installed at your entrance gate or front door, it allows you to see, hear, and speak with visitors in real time. When remote access is enabled, this interaction is no longer limited to being inside the house. You can connect from anywhere in the world. Imagine receiving a notification on your phone when someone rings your doorbell. You open the app and instantly see who's at your door. You can speak to them clearly, whether it's a delivery driver, a guest, or a service technician. If needed, you can even unlock the door or gate remotely, all while maintaining full control and security. One of the biggest advantages of video intercom technology is enhanced home security. You no longer have to guess who is outside or rely only on audio communication. Visual verification helps prevent unauthorized access and gives homeowners peace of mind. Convenience is another major benefit. Missed deliveries and unanswered doors become a thing of the past. Even when you're at work, on vacation, or simply away from your phone room, your home stays connected to you. Modern video intercom systems can also integrate with smart locks, CCTV cameras, and home automation systems. This creates a unified security ecosystem where everything works together seamlessly. Access permissions can be customized for family members, staff, or visitors, giving you complete control at all times. These systems are ideal not only for private homes but also for villas, apartments, gated communities, and small offices. Anywhere controlled entry is important, video intercom technology adds value, safety, and efficiency. However, to get the best performance and reliability, professional system design and installation are essential. Proper placement, secure network configuration, and expert setup ensure long-term functionality and protection. At DVCom Systems, we specialize in delivering reliable, smart video intercom solutions tailored to your specific needs. Our goal is to help you stay connected, secure, and in control no matter where you are. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative insights. Contact us today at 888-501-5885 or visit us online www.dvcsny.com.